Jai Srimanarayana, 34th sloka of 2nd chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Akirtinchapi bhutani kadhayishyanti te vyayam sambhavitasya cha akirtihi maranat atirichyate. Om. If you do not perform your duty in a righteous way, that will leave everlasting disgrace. For an honorable man, dishonor is worse than death. Sri Krishna Paramatma gives the best option for every one of us, asking every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, O Srimanarayana, I shall perform my duties in a righteous way. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Srimanarayana, I shall act according to your word. Karishye vachanam tava sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamakrutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Vasishtha Maharshi, with his strength of his tapasya, he pleased Paramatma, and with Paramatma's anugraham, he could make the girl Ila, the daughter of Vaivasvata Manu, into the boy male form. So he changed Ila to Sudyumna. And that Sudyumna, one of those days, along with his ministers and soldiers, he got onto horse, and he has taken all his weapons and went for hunting. He went towards the northern side. He went to the place at Meru mountain. There in one of the parks, Bhagavan Sarvaha Ramamanaha Sahavumaya, Paramasiva was enjoying with Parvati Devi. The moment this Sudyumna entered into that park, he turned into again female. Not only that he, but also his horse and all his soldiers, everyone became females. Then they all got shocked to see each other. Like this, when Sri Sukha Yogindra saying, Parikshin Narendra asking, why Why did that happen? What is the power behind that place? Then Sri Sukha Yogendra saying, "O Raja, one of those days when Parvati Parameswara were enjoying, Maharshis went into that place. When they suddenly entered into that place, Parvati Devi felt so much shy, and she started adjusting her clothes. After seeing that, Maharshis left from there immediately and went to Naranarayana Parvatam. After seeing all this, Paramasiva made a condition that whoever enters into that place, that park, they will become female. This condition has been put by Paramasiva in order to please Parvati Devi. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 34th sloka. Akirtinchapi bhutani kadhayishyanti te vyayam sambhavitasya cha kirtihi maranat atirichyate. Akirtinchapi bhutani kadhayishyanti te vyayam sambhavitasya cha kirtihi maranat atirichyate. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.